Welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to export your DMs into Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to export your DMs, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after opening the Slack, just simply tap into this drop down menu besides the workspace name. And now, after coming into this page, just simply tap into this tools and setting option and then go to workspace setting. And now, after coming into this page, you will directly get the option of import and export data. Just simply tap into that option and then you just simply have to tap into this export option in order to download your DM data. Now you just simply have to choose your export date range from here. Just simply tap into drop down menu and select suitable date for you. You can also customize date range from here. And after selecting date, click to start exporting. Then your data will be processed and be exported. You can download it from here. By following this very easy step, you can easily export your data from Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.